Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Ikeria, and on this channel I'm all about self-growth, personal development, self-improvement, becoming a better version of ourselves, building a wonderful and unique character to back our beauty up. So you might as well want to subscribe to my channel because we'll have a wonderful time on this channel. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload you will get notified. If you have done that, thank you so much. As already seen by today's title, I'm going to be sharing with us ways you can instantly be remembered. You know what I mean? So let's get right into it. I just want you to know that the way you present yourself in terms of your appearance, of how you look, is a way to captivate others even without them remembering your name or without them knowing you fully. So I know you want to know what's up. I know you want to know what I have to say in this video. So let's get right into it. All right, the first thing on my list, the first thing is to pick your range of signature fragrance. Pick a range or your range of signature fragrance, having an alluring scent, having a body mist or body perfume or body oil that you just need to apply a little. You don't need to tell them your name or where you come from. Just them perceiving that scent alone will just keep you stuck in their head forever. Having a range of captivating and alluring scent is a way you can make people subconsciously remember you or subconsciously have you in their head even without them knowing you entirely. It can sometimes give a small snippet of your personality, of what you like, of the kind of perfume you like, or the kind of body mist you like. They just tend to know your kind of person by just them having a smell of what you smell like or a smell of what your body smells like. And that's why I tell my ladies to invest in good body mist. I know perfume is good, but having great body mist, like a unique body mist, body mist like vanilla, like chocolate, this kind of floral kind of scent will just make people want to keep coming close to you because those kind of body mist, they smell really nice, they smell really good. I'm not saying perfume is bad, perfume is for, you know, the shirt or for the clothes. I'm talking about body mist that you spray on your body, you spray it here, and then you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So having a wonderful unique scent will keep you in the head of people, like you will just be living rent free in their head. So try as much as possible to have wonderful and alluring scent in your collection. So the second thing on my list is to pay attention to details. Pay attention to details. It's so important to pay attention to details when it comes to spicing up your look, spicing up how you present yourself in public. When it comes to your hair, your brows, your lashes, your lip combo, the outfit you're wearing, just like I said, the perfume and body mist you're wearing, your nails, you paying attention to these things is a way that people will instantly know that you're that girl. Like they know when they see you, they just know that, yeah, she's trying as much as possible to be better when it comes to her looks, when it comes to her makeup, when it comes to what she wears, when it comes to presenting herself in that girlish style and trying to just be feminine. So try as much as possible to pay attention to details because when your game is up on these areas I just mentioned, people will definitely remember you for one or two. They remember that she's good when it comes to her makeup. They remember that whatever she wears suits her. They know that whatever hair she makes or she wears, it fits her so well. Whatever nails, it fits her. Her earrings, oh my god, she's so good at these things. So try as much as possible to pay attention to details, especially when you want to remain in the mind of people. So if you're still watching my video up to this very moment and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. All right, that takes me to number 3. Add that signature color to your lips. I've always been a nude girly. Mm, I've always been a nude girly, but recently I've been trying to spice up my looks. I've been trying to, try different color, try purple and nude, try dark brown and red. Just mix certain colors to just make me feel sexy. make me feel different, make me feel a certain kind of way. I know it's okay when you have or when you're good with nude and it fits you so much, but don't be afraid to try something new. Don't be afraid to just try something different to just see how it will look on you. I know that red used to look like a deep red used to look nice on me, but the first time I tried a very bright red, I love how my face looks. I love how my face came out, and I didn't know that those kind of colors will suit well on me. But just trying it out, now I know that there's some certain look or certain places or certain things I want to do that I just need to wear that. If you know what I mean. So try as much as possible to add signature color to your lips. That will make you look different and just have people loving you for your new look. Also make sure to have some ideas of the kind of color you want for yourself or the kind of colors you like. You know, when you're having a red lipstick on, you just can't use red all over. You need to highlight it with something dark or something a bit bright but not as bright as the red. So Pinterest is your friend. If you're a girl and you don't have Pinterest app, I don't know what you're doing. Go and download Pinterest app and then come back and watch this video. Yes, because you can see or you will see different varieties, different colors you can try that will also look good on you. So try that today. And when trying to find different lip color, also try to find lip colors that suit your style and suit your skin tone, like it fits you. As this is really good way to be instantly remembered by anyone. And that takes me to number 4. Be consistent with your style. Try to look good wherever you go. Try to look presentable wherever you go. Try to look amazing. Try to look really put together wherever you go. Stop having the mindset of, I'm just going to grab something, I'm just going to get something, and then you're not putting effort into your look. I know sometimes we might be tired and we don't really want to do much, but for the fact that you're not doing much doesn't mean you shouldn't do anything at all. So try as much as possible to look presentable. You don't need to look all chic wearing heels and wear, nah, just look presentable. Just find something nice you can put on to just look good, because that too will make you stand out. Because they just know that whenever they see you, you're always looking good, you're looking chic, you're looking put together, you're looking amazing. That alone will keep you in their mind forever. So I want you to know that having a great fashion sense is truly such an amazing way that will keep you in the head of people and make you unforgettable. This last step is very simple and easy. Always be prepared and organized. You know what that means. Be prepared. You should have mirror in your bag when going out. You should have umbrella when there is sun or when you know it's about to rain or you know it's going to rain. It's not that when the weather is already changing and that's when you start finding where to borrow it's tacky. Be prepared and organized. Have wipes in your bag when going out. You don't know, just have wipe in case. Have hand sanitizers in your bag when going out. Just be prepared and organized. Like I said, this last step is very simple. It's just something you can incorporate into your daily life and your day will become easy. And you just having these things around, people knows that I just can't seem to forget this girl because whenever I ask for mirror, she have mirror. Whenever I ask for lip gloss, she have lip gloss because her lips is always moisturized, is always shiny, is always looking really good and juicy. So that's pretty much everything I want to share in this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload, you will get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for staying up to this very moment. God bless you. Take care and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.